Hello, everyone. Robert from Holistic and Wellness Medicine. Today, we're going to talk about blood pressure and heart rate on things that are very important for you to have as far as within the body itself. Being here in Texas, knowing that summer is around, it gets really hot here. So, two things that we recommend as functional medicine doctors and naturopathic medicine doctors is to try a different approach to stabilize nerves, hydration, nutrition, diets, and so on and so on. What a lot of people will do that I have seen, as far as in general, from patients that are mine and other people's patients that were sent to me, is when I look at your labs or I do a blood pressure test, there's several things that we ask. Whether when was the last time you were hurting? When was the last time you had a blood pressure check? When was the last time you ate something that had to do with hydration and drank something that had to do with hydration? Those are two separate things. And what we look for is breathing, respiratory, the same thing that your medical doctors will actually look for also. The benefits that we see when we change your lifestyle is your breathing patterns are different. Your eyesight is more focused. You can see a lot better. You can hear a lot better. You can smell things a lot better. You can taste things a lot better. Overall, your respiratory is perfectly fine. There's certain nutritional supplements that are out there, certain diets that we can put you on, certain programs that we would recommend, certain herbs that we would recommend. And I say we because we have a lot of different practitioners here that focus on a lot of specialties when it comes to your wellness. Key thing is to make sure you stay hydrated. There's a difference between other videos we talked about. There's a difference between alkaline, molecular hydrogen water, and natural water with natural fruits and veggies in them. But a lot of other people that have recommended certain supplements, these are just ones that are my personal favorites. There's a bunch of them out there. I've noticed that this one here called Juvenile Blood Flow 7, which is this one. There's a big difference towards it. What I like about it is you can get a lot of improvement when it comes to oxygen in your arteries and in your function of your heart. Um, it also helps with a little bit of digestion, so I've seen a lot of good results with that. Overall breathing and respiratory issues. The second one that I've actually used and seen, as far as some of my patients have tried and they love it also, is the Artery Shield, which is, let me get this over here, sorry. The Artery Shield also actually helps and is from Juvenon. You can find it on our website. I'm offering a 25% discount off all supplements. Definitely good stuff to have. The best thing about it is it helps not just with the artery, but puts oxygen, lubricates, cleans your arteries little by little. So, but it'll get you there over time. As long as you follow the exercise, the nutritional patterns, which if you have questions, you can just message me and I'll be more than happy to send you everything that you need. The good thing about it is that your sleeping patterns will change, your energy levels will change based on what we've seen from our patients. Other patients, it does take a while, a little longer than usual. I haven't seen anyone that says that has not worked for them as of yet. Out of 41 patients, there's not one that I've seen that says, well, it hasn't worked for me, doc, or whatever the case may be. So a lot of different improvement inside it. Lastly, we have, you've probably seen the videos all over the internet. Everybody's talking about them. It's really good stuff. There's one called the Super Patch. Really cool stuff. Definitely helps out the nerves. All the doctors who have put their specialties and expertise in this patch is really, really cool. It actually helps with strength, nerve, lateral, bilateral, movement, muscle, fatigue, sleeping patterns. It helps with that, weight loss, and a whole bunch of other things. Really cool things. You can find them on our site at holisticandwellnessmedicine.com. You can find them there. You can click on order and you'll see them there. You can click on the site and it'll tell you all the information you want to know. This is just part of the pattern that we ask you to choose. It doesn't have to be with us. We're just giving you a general idea on what will be very important for you, especially if you're here in Texas or if you're in the heat. If you are a person who likes to exercise and work out and do weights and go to the beach and run and jog, these are just some out of many different supplements we recommend to keep you from having any kind of stroke, heat stroke, or stuff like that. Again, this isn't just the only thing that keep you from doing that. Obviously, you have to have nutrition and a good balanced meal before you do any of those exercises and be in the heat. If you have any questions about weight loss, GLPs, and all kinds of stuff like that, please let me know. We have that program as well. A lot of new discounts that I have out as well. Let me know if you have any questions. You can find me at holisticwellnessmedicine.com, or you can click on our contact us and it'll come right to me or one of my assistants. And then if you're looking for something that's more for herbal, we have some very cool herbs that will help you out. Some of them are based inside the supplements, and some of them are built as you go. So you get a pack in the mail, and then you can just make as many herbs as you want, like teas or drinks or stuff like that to help you. Um, we do have certain programs for diabetes, programs for cancers, programs for therapy, physical therapy assistance. We have things where if you come out of surgery, regardless of what it is, our patches and our certain programs that we have will most definitely help you. Until then, if you have any questions, you know where to find us, holisticandwellnessmedicine.com, and you can go to contact us page and contact us there. Until then, talk to you later.